Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to send large files for free between two Android devices, and you will need the Send Anywhere app. So let's get started. So firstly, install Send Anywhere app on both devices and just type into the search Send Anywhere and then tap Install. And when installed, tap Open on both devices. And then tap Agree to everything, and then Confirm. Then allow the access to your files, and then tap OK. And on the device you want to send files from, tap Send, and to receive on other device, tap Receive. Then select a file, for example, this app, and then tap Send. And this will generate a 6-digit key, which you will have to input here. So as you can see, everything came through smoothly, and now you know how to send large files for free between two Android devices. So if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.